Hi, this is Rosani. Today I'm going to show you my Fleur de Lis mask. This is the neutral mask that I used to create the Papier Mâché mask that I am decorating today. I have outlined a little Fleur de Lis design. I did this in pencil and I just doodled it right onto the surface of the Papier Mâché. And of course, it is just an outline. I made some stencils and designed several Fleur de Lis patterns. I'll use one of them to attach to the mask later on. As you can see here, I'm working out the colors. I used strips of crepe paper, and I decided I'm going to make it purple on one side and green on the other, and I'm going to make a gold-colored Fleur de Lis. And I've marked that on the mask. And here's one cut out that I'm going to place right here in the center. Now later on you can add the details however you like, but you could see I have made this mask a parti-colored, meaning that it has two sides, one part and another part. So one half is purple and the other half is green. You can outline or paint any details that you like. Here I outlined the Fleur de Lis with a Sharpie, and I also outlined the eyes and the lips. I made them solid. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If so, please give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and have a happy Mardi Gras.